Ferrari 458. Nice. Check out the street light in Taiwan, where you see a proposal going on with the red light for the pedestrian. Got a Ferrari 488 in yellow. Check this out. There is a sign that literally tells you not to ride into the river with your bike. Got a pole walker on the truck there. Ferrari F8 Tributo. Guys, forget about car spotting. Look at this. There is a horse in the back of that truck. Just doing some car spotting, and look at this purple Lamborghini Gallardo. Dude, what do you guys think about the spec? Nice. What is it, cat? What the heck is this? What the heck is this? Lol. They have mini KTVs here in Taiwan. There's a little booth where you just rent and sing the hell out of it. That's super cool. With high-speed train delivering our food. And boom, you just take the food off that high-speed train and it will leave. Boom. The heck is this? A McLaren 600 LT. Is that a worst off spec Porsche over there? Guys, look at that dog. Selling drinks and fruits. Look at this chrome gold Iron Man themed motorcycle. We need more of these vans in America. This is so badass. Such a sad day. Whoa, what the heck? They're just scaring those cows away. car spotting here in Taiwan. You got a California and a Carrera S. I am here in Taiwan and just doing a little bit of car spotting. Check out some cars here. Got the Porsche Cayman. They have the Lamborghini Huracan, Aventador GT2 RS. I think that's a Speciale over there. Pretty nice. 720S. The pit stop right there. Oh, they have a spiker as well. Nice. Car spotting in underground garage. A dog in a stroller. Yep. Look at this robot taking us to the restaurant, seeing us. That is so cool. That was so random. Just a casual parrot on the light pole. Yep. Look at that view though. Nice. It says, drop your clothing, we take care of the rest. Yep. .458 Spider. It's a national treasure. Alright guys, we got the Taipei 101 over here and a bunch of people in costumes, cosplays right here. Welcome to Taiwan. And it's raining. We got Deadpool over here. Not sure who it is. It might be the president because this is the White House. All the black cars. Look at that car. Guys, look at this. These are made out of computer components. All these broken components and then made it into keychains or necklace. Handmade. That's pretty cool. Like these are all moving parts.